Exercising.
Oh no, the money me a sign up for. The paycheck.
Dirty bad mind, but me do your so. Be a negative, you just.
Please, what do I need? Please, subscribe to this channel.
I don't plan to live with her for more than 6 or 7 months without her getting impregnated. Now let's tell her that. This is just, that's how I end up getting so much youth.
That sound good.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm on a plan to multiply. But what about you?
In a them time, I'm not so hard. I'm not go so hard. You know, I multiply
Just
so
stop
much.
make baby.
Me not. Yes.
Well, dear, me tell a man say I want back la baby roots.
Yeah,
One boy. Yeah.
You get a boy yet?
This is age, huh?
Oh no, I want daughter make it.
Okay.
I want a boy next 2 years.
What's that?
wrong with
I
that?
want him dead left this team, you know? Make him carry through the work. Yeah, man.
Where's your ass cat now?
They come here, man, Danny, and
Yes.
whisper.
Yes.
Me no whisper. Me talk very loud and you know that, right?
No, but me never hear one of that say.
Because I wasn't talking to you, sir. So you
I mean, none of that whisper, man. Look how close with you and none of it.
A whisper with a whisper?
Yeah, yeah. Tell
You tell him something in a whisper.
Yeah, him there
No,
a
no,
whisper.
you never that whisper. You talk loud. It's a whisper. In different from here, you know. So, is that man a play?
You did hear what them said, Jizzy?
No, sir.
And look how close you are.
Alright, let me show you that
None of
whisper.
that whisper.
The casket story.
Yeah.
You come in a one and you put in a one.
You're going out.
And you put in a one.
You're coming out.
Yeah, yeah, man. You know me at about. So nobody can change that. So, what about the guy who no use no condom? And when them coming now?
Where them coming out?
Yeah, because you are saying.
Everybody use condom now.
No, get
Now
no.
tell me about
So hold on. You're peeping Tom. I'm peeping Tom, darling.
Oh, peeping time coming out.
No, because you can't decide and tell me, so everybody.
Nobody now risk them life.
Meaning what?
Fit dip them with no girl what? No girl now make you do that
Hold
to
on,
them neither.
hold on. I know you just say you want baby 2 years from now. So in a condom that happen?
Then no seal me and girl have to go seal up herself. And live couple years and seal up herself. I know so yes well a time to walk barefoot.
Be careful yourself, sir.
Oh come.
70% of the man them that walk around and I get entangled with female, they not use no what you talk about. They not use no bag, no baggage.
Well me never did I tell you nothing about man. I did I tell you about boots and casket.
I know that.
Yeah,
I know that.
So me say what's the difference with a casket and a boots? Me never tell you nothing
Hello,
about
sir.
man.
We not to go back at the desert square one.
Right.
I'm just simply saying, some guy now, when they might interact with the female, are straight because they want to feel.
So Johnny, I want to ask you something. You're there for the boat. And your mother jump off and you can't swim. You go for your mother. And you love your mother so much.
Me dey on the boat, me my mother.
Yes.
And she
And she
jump
jump
off
off
boat.
it, yeah.
And me can't swim.
Yeah, you go for
If me
her?
go for her,
Yeah.
Take a deep breath before you.
that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. And you see that's what I did, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, say you go for her? You love your mother so much you know, more than your father. Because remember you say your father never play no role in your life. So a mommy play everything. And you love her so much you don't want she fit dead. You go for her?
When I go try something like Garnet's incident.
That's what.
Remember what happened with Garnet's and the mother and the
You
cylinder
go
blow up?
commit suicide.
Me go commit suicide by trying to rescue my mama.
But you can't swim.
So what should I do?
Do you jump in a deep water like that? That's just a suicide. you
Okay,
are
fine.
commit.
I understand. So, what are you saying? I should just sit in the boat and watch my mommy just disappear like that?
No, if you have a piece of rope, you throw it down here.
Forget about that. We don't have any rope, we don't have no thread, we don't have no string, we don't
Well,
have no
you
stick.
go and go commit suicide.
And if your question, you can go into smart. Answer the question, man.
About what?
If you go for your mother in deep water.
Yeah.
Me
go for-
answer the question already, dummy.
Me never hear what you say.
You go in
I'm
there.
going to play Garnet Silk Roll.
So what is Garnet Silk Roll?
So if you don't know what you don't know what it is, you don't know your preem story.
Suicide, we know.
So that's suicide.
Where are you, Bingy? Where are you?
Yeah, because if you can't swim and you go into the water, see, well, it based on the relationship when me and my mother have now.
So you plan to
Yes, sir,
deal
me
with
I
your
say.
mother. Cause remember you can't save him because you can't save yourself. So at dead you plan for dead with your mother. you
Hello,
know.
sir. Let me just give you this right now.
Yeah.
Me born in the water. So that question when you bring to me, I don't mean should I bring it to become a born in the water, so
So
automatically
your barn can't swim.
like a tadpole.
Okay.
No, but I say if you couldn't swim,
Yeah.
Me not leave it alone.
you're not going to
And
have
watch your mama drown.
He's a wicked
You know
man.
that we say, man, if you just leave it alone. and
Hello,
watch your mama.
me I gonna leave it in the comment section. No comments. Leave it alone.
Me not do that. Me I die together with my mother. And she bring me come and me can't get no more mama.
You hear what he just said, sir?
Me I go with my
Yeah,
mother.
you don't go comment, Susan.
Me I go with my
You
mother.
think so? Would you agree with him?
The question to ask is this now. Would your mom agree with you doing that for her? No, maybe she wouldn't. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't try. Maybe your mom would, if she have the chance, would be like, son, don't come in here because I know you can't swim, I got dead too. So let me go on and you stay.
Yeah.
Maybe she have that in her intention, you know, but she, because a death situation, she now can't get to express that. Exactly. She's not going to be able to express that. So like me say, based on the communication and the relationship you have with your mom.
Yeah.
No, I would try something. Regardless of the relationship what I have with my mom, I would try something.
Piece of rope.
Yeah, some piece of rope, piece of stick, something. But me not lie you, it would be so difficult for me to jump into that water. I mean, know that I can't swim.
Much less for save my mother.
Yeah, it would be difficult.
You know, say if your mother, she say you drop her and you drown and she try to come for you, because she feel the pain in her belly button, you know, so I'm one pitting I go drown.
Well, a mother,
she go try.
Yeah, a mother's instinct is much more stronger in that way. You know? Yeah. So she probably will jump in even if she can't swim. But like I said, based on the relationship what you have with her. Because you have some mama, you have some mother will prefer picnic over picnic. So if I in favorite picnic I drown, she wouldn't jump in it if she can't swim. If I want, she not too care about too much, she not risk her life.
Leave it alone.
Well, my point of view is
that
that
night, I know.
mama live her life. That farmer way to die with mama. Me don't want to be a hero like that. Yeah, mama would have tell me say you want.
She not risk her life.
Leave it alone.
Well, my point of view is that
that night, I know.
mama live her life already.
Oh, hello, sir. Remember, big people.
Me nah go take my life. That farmer way to die with mama. Me don't want to be a hero like that. Yeah, mama would have tell me say you want to go and go live life and make me go and
That's the same thing me I say.
yeah.
And mama
Me
would
nah
probably
do
say that.
Mama live her life already. Remember the things that my mama been through, me don't even know them yet, you know. Me want to know some, you know. So when me go die
That's
now,
some of
me
the
did
things when
what?
mama been through where you don't know what you want. Could you just give me two of them?
Two of them?
Yeah.
Like live till him whole.
Experiences.
Yes. Me
Experiences.
not live till me whole
Yeah.
yet, so why should I go die with him? Me want the experience if I know what whole is. That's one.
But you know, that
cover a lot.
that question, what
Yeah.
he asked, you know, is a sticky situation.
Sticky
Because when you watch
situation.
that, when he post this video, you know, and the people start to comment and the feedback, you know, you got hear different people with different views about
Of course,
it, you know.
based on their relationship
That's-
with
as
their
I said,
mom.
as I said.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Because you have some workless mama too, you know.
Exactly.
You have some workless
Yep.
mama when they
So-
take care of them fitness and come in and them fitness life just
Which
recently.
life nice and feel?
Which life? The Almighty.
Me don't know of that.
Hello, sir.
No,
Let me leave it
man.
alone. Pay attention to that.
No life, no nice and for me. Which life nice and my life?
I couldn't answer that
Eh?
to you.
Me no
Me don't know about your life, I don't want about your life, your nice
My
life.
life are the nicest to me.
Yes, to you.
Yes, so why me fi dash for my life for you?
Not to me. Don't mind nothing about
Word
those
speaking of you and my mother then.
No.
Hey.
Don't go there. 6 bars, that's the bun up.
No.
No, burn up
Why?
No. Based on I break it down, right? If me, right now, me have my two little daughter, them, one at 11, one at 12, and one at 7 years old. If me see them a drown and me can't swim, me a jump into that cloth there and try to throw them out.
You hear the argument?
But back to what Cat says.
Yeah.
I live my life. I'm giving them a chance to live for them life
That
now.
is it.
That
You
is
see
it.
me I
That
say?
is it.
But remember, you know,
Yeah.
You see me I say? Because me live my life. So my 7-year-old, I might, even if
you
me
can't
can't
risk
swim,
your
me
life
I
now
gonna
to
risk
give them a
my life to
chance.
try to get them a chance.
Yeah,
Simple
so,
as that.
I didn't grow old,
Yeah.
grow old.
Of course.
Simple like just say come back round to just what him say a while ago.
Everybody have their own
Yeah,
opinion.
man.
Me, I jump off my mama.
Yeah, man, you're alright, man.
Yeah.
You don't decide, so you don't do so.
Okay.
Because you can't even save yourself much.
Why?
You can't save yourself first.
That's you. You know I'm loving you. Me I jump off my mama.
You know what me having on me?
Oh you talk, I see you not save your mama.
Just the facts of life.
Yeah, facts of life for you. But me I go.
So my life no value nothing there.
Hey, your mother that man. Try something, man.
So my mother have
That she
my
bring you
life.
come here for night,
My
man.
mother not have my life.
But that she birth can bring you come
Yes,
over.
that's why she bring me here for a reason, not to go kill myself. My mother bring me here for a reason. You think my mother jump off into the water and kill himself? Accident.
Accident.
Yeah. So why should I do it spitefully go kill myself? To my mother?
Me not talk like
No,
that.
sir.
Me a
My
jump
life have lot of value.
Me not jump back.
Me
Me
not
jump
going.
back. Father, give me the strength for self.
Danny, we have to look on it from all perspective, you know. I understand, you know, you see instinct will make you jump because of the love for your mom. But if we evaluate the thing seriously,
Of course.
and evaluate the thing seriously, you have youths, which is your mother, grandchildren. Do you think that your mom would like to see you die, leave her grandchildren them? I suppose a single, your mother wouldn't want that, you know. Because it's just the instinct of parents, you know. Just like one break it, it's an instinct of parenting. Me live my life, like what the man say. Me have my younger ones, me go risk my life for them. But my mom wouldn't agree with me, say, boy, come give up your life for me and left your picnic them, which is my grandchildren them too. Your mom wouldn't agree with that, you know. No, she wouldn't agree with that. She wants you to live to take care of your children, which is her grandchildren. You see me I break it down too? You see me I talk about simple maths? No, you don't have to agree. I'm not going to convince you if you agree. Because it's just you that. Yeah.
It's all okay. But I don't remember if you guys remember, I think last year or 1 year, 2 years ago, where the mother and the daughter from St. Thomas, they come down North David.
Yeah.
Remember that story? Okay. And we can deliberate on it, and we can leave it.
When daughter did that drown and mother did that try to see.
And can't swim.
Yeah.
You remember that story?
Yeah,
remember.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So it come back to the question what him asks, and we are trying to like whatever.
But that break back downstream to what him say. The mother is the
Why
older than
risk
the
her
daughter.
life,
She
yeah.
want to risk her life for her
save
daughter
her
because
life.
her daughter have her life ahead of her.
Right.
So she's willing to take that chance.
Definitely.
Exactly. But Danny is saying he would do it. But then you probably are say, or a next person gonna say, they wouldn't do that.
We are break it down to we get technical with this, in a sense. Now what Danny is saying is that he would jump off his mother.
Even though him know he can't
Even
swim.
though them can't
Yeah.
swim. But I have no problem with that.
Okay.
But my point is that maybe his mom wouldn't agree with him because his mom would say, no, leave me to drown and save your life because you have your picking them to live
Yes,
for.
make the younger tree grow.
Yeah, and that way I
man.
break it down too. Simple as that.
You know, see when them a raise cow, them kill the old bull and make the young one grow.
Not in all cases, sir.
You want a young bull feed. No, me just ask you something.
If you want young bull,
Yeah.
I'm saying not in all cases that you will have a prize bull.
Yeah.
You have a prize bull, and in probably 10 years, 8 years. But then you want him to stay within the herd. So even though you have 3 younger bull, you get rid of those.
No,
So you keep the
one of them are come take him space.
at some point, yes.
Yes. So me go and get rid of the whole one here,
What
one at a
answer?
time.
You raise cow? you raise cow, sir?
No.
You used to raise cow?
No.
So what you know about raising cow
Them
and prize cow?
human being living among seeds things. Me know what
So
is
oh,
what
other,
take
hold
place
on.
from herd.
Fine. So other day when you tapping at people in my system, I me say, me rather XYZ, yeah, come go on like say you want push me
No, but
aside.
no rather no he not hit for me.
No,
Raising cow and no say me rather cow more
That's a different
people,
issue, you know. That's a different issue, you know, Danny. And I dare you bringing that up. You shouldn't be bring that
Why
up.
we should bring it up?
You open up another can of worm that's not going to work against.
So Johnny, tell me now, you have your last dollar. And you saw a hungry man down there so. We had him their friend for a long time. You say, give me $1,000. You have the last $1,000. You give him? Because in a year or something, you know, God can give back.
You can't talk, you have to put your hand on my shoulder. Take it on me. You know, if you brace me like
God
that.
will give you back 4,000.
Yeah, white man will give you back.
Where you know about God, sir? Where you know about God?
What I know about God?
We can't do the God will give me back.
Then no God will pay you back it.
What happened?
God will give you back your $1,000.
Okay.
Where's the God to give back?
Answer we no man, make you continue with the reasoning. You have to answer before the reason can continue, you know. So if you no answer, we don't know where it is.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Probably don't give him back $1,000, but probably give him more than $1,000.
So why him not give that man 1,000?
And that's what you want, bro?
Me ask, so why him not give that man 1,000? Where I come to take my 1,000?
Yo, come on, man.
Me not join that
Why
policy.
him not-
Where you go?
No, me not
Why
join
him not give that man?
Me can't.
Why him not give that money? Yeah, and me fi give him my own and wait for him to give me 1,000. Why him not give that man just one?
You know that me go down, me go certain places, right?
Yeah.
And me have 2 bills in my pocket. And somebody said to me, say, oh, Ray, me name know the person.
Like your turn now again.
I'm gonna give him $100. I me go around there, so you know, me get $3,000 back in my pocket.
It's not impossible.
Okay.
It don't
And you know that, right?
Of course.
And you acknowledge that.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So me want certain time when you come out of your aquarium, you pick your words, them, oh, you administrate them, sir.
In which way?
We mean in what way?
You don't understand that.
When we're talking about the design of the universe, that's a whole different company.
So
you know.
true that now me fi take my $1,000 and do it all.
You not give me, not give me. No, I don't want your tone. That can't buy pig feeding.
So how comes me fi give him my $1,000 and give and do it all?
You don't have to do that.
Yeah.
You don't have to do it.
Me don't have to.
Oh, no, you don't have to.
Yeah. But me just saying to myself, since God love me so, that's if me take me 1,000 give to you, Johnny, and me go around the corner, God will prepare another 10,000 for me. Why him not prepare one for you? Where you do make God hate you so?